Hey everybody, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center. And if you're trying to get an accurate virtual hair loss consultation right from the comfort of your very own home, you need to know how to take good quality photos with your smartphone. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to do it. When you schedule your virtual consultation, you're going to need to upload good quality photos in advance. Let me show you how to take those photos and send those over to us. Before you start taking the photos, you'll want to make sure that your hair is wet and combed back away from the hairline and also parted down the middle so we can see all the areas of the scalp. Make sure your hair is not covering any areas of concern and that the photos are in focus. The point of the photos is to show the areas of hair loss so we can evaluate them properly. Then you're ready to take your photos for submission. We're going to do several different views. Front view straight on, front view tilted down, each side left and right, and the top of the scalp. Super close-up photos are actually not required at this time. You're better off making sure your entire head is well within the frame of each photo. The first photo is straight on, kind of like a mugshot, similar to the picture you have on your driver's license or passport. So you'll want to be looking at your camera straight on like you're taking a portrait. Just frame yourself in the middle of the photo. The next picture will be tilted down, so tilt down halfway, keeping your phone at the same height. Now we're going to be taking a picture of the top of our heads. So you're going to hold the camera up about 45 degrees, put yourself in the top third of the photo, and then tilt your head down and take the picture. The next photos are going to be the left and the right side view. So turn your body sideways, extend out your arms so you can check yourself that you're in the middle of the photo, and then do the same with the other side. Review all the photos to make sure that they're in focus, properly lit, and show all the areas of concern. Repeat or add any additional photos as needed. Now that you've got some really good quality photos for your hair loss consultation, you're going to upload those to me. If you haven't submitted a request for a virtual consultation, then click on the links below to get started. I look forward to helping you reach your hair restoration goals. Now that you have some really good quality photos of your hair loss situation, you're going to upload those to me. But if you haven't yet submitted a request for a virtual consultation, click on the links below to get started.